In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to pay bills through the Metro Bank app. So you can pay bills through the Metro Bank app by following these steps. First thing, log in into your account. When you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. Then from there, you can go and look for an option to pay bill within the app's menu. And this option is often located in the main navigation menu or on the home screen as well. And if you haven't already added the company or an individual you want to pay, you'll need to do so. This usually involves entering the pay's name, account number, and other necessary information. Some pay may already be saved if you've paid them before. And after selecting or adding the pay, enter the amount you want to pay and select the account from which you want to make the payment, example checking account or savings. Then you could go ahead and select the date you want the payment to be made, and they may have the option to schedule the payment for further date or making it immediately depending on your preferences. Then you could go to review and confirm the details and authenticate the transaction. Then you'll receive a notification stating that you've successfully paid bill through the Metro Bank app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.